Hello, Tony Perks here with an introduction to our Agile Business Consortium Scrum Master certification course. And this introduction is aimed at anyone who is thinking of signing up for this event, and also for anyone who has already signed up, would like a little more information about how the course actually works. So this is a 2-day event. And what we will do through that is enable you to understand the Scrum framework, but somewhat more than that. We want you to be able to live the role of the Scrum Master. So there are some wider content that we will introduce during the course, and we also will prepare you for, and you will sit online, the ABC Scrum Master examination. These are the learning materials, as well as the slide deck, we will send to you in advance of the course. The Scrum Guide 2020, as it was revised in 2020, the Agile Manifesto, and there's some expanded guidance on user stories and estimating techniques. All the examination questions are based upon that core material. We will also send you a sample examination paper that you can work with before the course. And we would encourage you to do some pre-course preparation to maximize your chances in the examination. Now, the examination will be held on the afternoon of day 2. It's taken online on the examination board's platform. The examination board is called the APMG. We will have pre-registered you for that. It's a 40-minute exam, and in those 40 minutes you will be asked to complete 50 multiple choice questions, where you have to select one from 4 options for each of the 50 questions. Although it's based on the learning materials I pointed out, you're not allowed to use anything in that examination. It's a closed book exam, and you will need to have a device with a camera so that you're visible during the exam. Thing to watch out for here, it's a high pass mark, 74%, in other words 37 out of 50. And so there's not that much room for error, which is why we encourage our candidates to look at the learning materials that we send out advanced, and perhaps also to put some effort into looking at the sample examination paper too. So, hope that's useful, and it'll give you information that will enable you to decide if you want to sign up for the course, and also if you are signed up, it'll give you a little bit more information about the objectives and the learning materials and the exam. And if you do sign up, or if you are signed up, I look forward to seeing you on the day.